Hi, this is Patty and welcome to my channel. I am about to make some apple crisp and I'm going to show you the ingredients that it takes to make the apple crisp, and I'll tell you what ingredients I will be using. 6 apples. The recipe calls for golden apples or Granny Smith apples, but these are the apples that I had in my refrigerator, so I am using these apples. 2 tablespoons of sugar, and here's the sugar. 1 3/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. 1 1/2 teaspoon of lemon juice. 1 cup brown sugar, and I have the light brown sugar. 3/4 cup of oats. I have the old-fashioned Quaker Oats. 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, and that is this, 3/4 cups, and a half cup, and this is a stick of butter, of unsalted pure butter, pinch of salt, and these are the tools that I will use. I have 2 mixing bowls here, and this is a dough blender that I will chop the butter in because it will be cold when I chop it into the ingredients. And this is the baking dish that I will be using to put my apple crisp in. And I will preheat my oven at 350 degrees, and I will butter the baking dish that I'm going to use, and I'll bake it for about 40 to 50 minutes or until it's golden brown and bubbly. But I'll come right back and show you what's going on with this. I'll pause right here. Hi, these are the chopped apples, granulated sugar, cinnamon, and lemon juice mixed together, and I'm getting ready to transfer it to this buttered baking dish. I'll be right back. Okay, I have added the brown sugar, oats, flour, teaspoon of cinnamon, salt, pinch of salt, and butter, the cold butter. And once I mix this up, this is the dough blender. I'm going to blend this butter in this mixture, and when I'm done doing that, then I will spread this over the apples and put them in the oven. And if I didn't show you, I use this little gadget to peel my apples, the peeler, okay? And that makes it so much easier than using a knife. But I'm going to cut this into this mixture and then spread it over the apples and put it in the oven on 350 degrees for about 40 minutes or until it's golden brown and bubbly. And then I will show you the end results. I'll pause right here. I'm about to slip the apple crisp into the oven, and I'll come right back. This is the finished product of the apple crisp, and you see how it caramelized around the sides? That is good stuff. I am going to cut into it and let you see what it looks like. I know it's delicious. Look at that. Look at that apple crisp. I'm going to taste a little bit of it. I love when it caramelizes around the edges. That's good stuff. Look at all those apples. And let me tell you what it tastes like. I have it on my plate here. Look at that. Delicious. It is so, so good. Look at that crust. So delicious. It is so good, y'all. You must try it. This is Patty's Southern Kitchen. Thanks for coming in and watching. Thanks for subscribing. And if you want to see when know when I upload, tap that notification bell. Thank you so much for your support. And I will see you soon. Patty from Patty's Southern Kitchen. Goodbye.